And we're going to, as we discussed in chambers, my understanding is the state will make its opening statement on the sentencing phase, but the defense is going to reserve their opening for a later time, and we'll make that explanation to the jury when they arrive. So. Good morning. We're going to bring the other 12 in before we get started. Thank you. Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. Let me explain to you that this will be the beginning of the sentencing phase of this trial. And in a sentencing phase, both sides have the right to make an opening statement to you about the issues that are going to be presented to you in this phase of the trial. The state will make its opening statement now. They will put on their proof first. The defense will have the opportunity to put on their proof second. So I have allowed them to reserve their opening statement to make it to you after the state has rested their proof. So the state will make an opening statement, they'll present their proof, then the defense will have an opportunity to make an opening statement and present proof as we go along. So I'm just going to reserve it. All right, General Crouch.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to again thank you for your patience as we go through this process. As the judge said, this is the sentencing phase, and I would ask you as the jurors in this case to again pay specific and close attention to the evidence and testimony of the witnesses. I will be very brief in this opening statement. The state intends to prove 5 aggravating factors. Those factors include 1, that the defendant was previously convicted of a felony whose statutory elements involve the use of violence to a person. 2, that the murder was especially heinous, atrocious, or cruel in that it involved torture or serious physical abuse beyond that necessary to produce death. 3, the murder was committed for the purpose of avoiding, interfering with, or preventing a lawful arrest or prosecution. 4, the murder was committed against a law enforcement officer engaged in the performance of his official duties, and the defendant knew or reasonably should have known that the law enforcement was in fact engaged in his official duties. And 5, the defendant knowingly mutilated the body of Sergeant Daniel Baker. Thank you.